Hey there, future real estate rock stars. Welcome back to Real Estate Investing Simplified. I'm your trusty guide, the Real Estate Sensei, and today we're diving deep into a strategy that'll have you saying, goodbye rent, and hello financial freedom. But hold on to your hard hats because before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We're about to unveil the secret art of house hacking. All right, my aspiring homeowners, let's crack open the vault of house hacking, the ultimate way to transform your living situation into a powerhouse of savings and investments. Step 1. Find the perfect property. Hunt for a property with potential, one that can be divided into separate units or rooms. This is your canvas, and we're about to create a masterpiece. Step 2. Lock and load. Move into one unit and rent out the rest. Your tenants become your housemates, and your mortgage is now a collaborative effort. Step 3. It's raining money. The rent from your tenants covers a chunk of your mortgage, possibly even all of it, leaving you with a much lighter financial burden. Step 4. Live like a king or queen. As you're living rent-free or at a significantly reduced cost, you're saving like a champ. Time to put those savings to work. Step 5. Rinse and repeat. You've tasted the sweet nectar of financial freedom. When the time is right, consider expanding your empire by adding more house-hacked properties to your portfolio. Now, you might be wondering why the Real Estate Sensei doesn't reveal their true identity. Well, here's the scoop. It's like knowing a secret handshake. If we spill the beans, the other industry leaders might get a little miffed. So for now, let's just call it ninja wisdom. And guess what, dear learners? This video is the 5th gem in our series on real estate strategies. From wholesaling to fix and flip, rentals, the brrrr strategy, and now house hacking, we're opening doors to your real estate success. Your voice shapes our content. What real estate topic do you want us to dive into next? Share your suggestions in the comments. Your idea might become our next video. Thanks for hanging out with us on Real Estate Investing Simplified. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned for our upcoming video, where we'll unravel yet another powerful real estate strategy. Until then, remember, with house hacking, you're not just investing, you're creating a lifestyle that's a cut above the rest. This is the Real Estate Sensei, signing off.